If you are facing call failed issues on Apple Watch, then here are the fixes. First of all, make sure that you are in a Bluetooth range of your Apple phone. Okay, so if your watch is GPS only, then you must be in the Bluetooth range of your phone. And if it is cellular, then you can move anywhere in the world. Your call failed issue will not occur. But if it is a GPS only watch, please make sure that you are in a Bluetooth range of your phone. Now, the second thing which you need to do, the second fix is just press on this side button. Okay, and now scroll up and find this airplane mode here. Just tap on it to turn it on, wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. Okay, and see whether your issue gets resolved or not. If this does not get resolved, the second thing which you need to do is reset network settings. So how to do this? Just open your phone with which your Apple Watch is connected. Now just tap on this gear shaped setting icon to open settings. Now go to General, tap on General, scroll down, find Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on it, tap on Reset, and finally tap on Reset Network Settings. Okay, enter the passcode if it wants, tap on Reset Network Settings, and it will reset your network. No data will be deleted, only the network will be reset. Now you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi again using your Wi-Fi password, and that's it. After that, your issue will be resolved. When your phone will open again, it will easily, seamlessly connect to your Apple Watch. And now try calling from your Apple Watch or your phone and make sure they are in the proximity of each other and the issue will never occur. Now let's move to the last fix. If this does not fixes your issue, then what you can do, you can forcefully restart your Apple Watch. How to do this? Just press the side button, the crown at the same time. Okay, and keep it pressed, keep both of them pressed. Okay, and once you see the Apple iPhone logo, you can leave those keys. That's it guys. Please do like the video to support us, and thanks for watching the Geek Page.